Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Today I'm with another video. I bring it today for you Samsung top-load washing machines, which is a new and latest technology top-load washing machines. It's different of the capacity 18 kg, 12 kg and 10 kg. First I will show you 18 kg washing machine, which is a new and latest model. Comes with the Wi-Fi. You can connect on your home Wi-Fi and you will see more programs on your Wi-Fi. This is the specification on the washing machines. Programs, you can see there is a 20 programs in this washing machine. There is a normal quick wash, also quick wash. It's 15 minutes. Delicate, stain wash if there is any stain on your clothes. Steam options are there. Eco tub clean, you can clean your tub, washing machine self clean inside. And there is a water level also, you can control. Timing also control automatically, it's detect the timing. You can see there is a big size of drum. You need to put detergent over here. There is a new, when you put some time detergent, it's a powder, it's not goes directly, now it's mixed with the water and then goes on the clothes. And huge big size of fully stainless steel drums, which is a diamond drum, latest technology, which is never get the rusted. There's a filter, if extra anything, hairs, threads, anything, it goes in the filter. You can put here bleach if you want to give some bleach to your clothes, you can do it. It's a very big size. Even you can wash your big blanket on this washing machine. It's a heavy duty washing, and you can wash your curtains, your bed sheets, any type of clothes in this washing machine. And the most important in the washing machine, you need to see consumption. It's a 5-star in the electricity and water. It's take very less water and electricity. And now I'll show you 12 kg, which is latest also. You can see the programs. It's also a lot of programs comes with everything. Tub clean option is the same. In 3 months once you need to clean your tub, automatically all threads, hairs, all can go. Quick wash option is there. You need to on the washing machine from here and then just press on start button. It's not showing the timing because of it's auto detect. When you put the clothes inside, it's automatically detect the clothes timing according the clothes. Digital in water technology. Huge, big and deeper drum inside. Also you can wash your blanket in this washing machine. There is option for the drum clean option and blanket option also. You can see there is a filter where you need to put detergent. There is also fan inside. When you put detergent, automatically when water comes in this one, it's mixed with the water, your detergent, and then it's put on the clothes. What happened before is directly when goes inside the water and detergent, it's not mixed. And this is the other one, which is 10 kg, also same drum size, just a little bit smaller than that. Specification almost same, program almost same. You don't need to fully automatic. These are all full automatic. You just need to on and start it. It's automatically adjust everything. But if in case you have small clothes, then you need to change the water level and all these. Jeans option is also there. Separate jeans, if you need to wash, you can wash. And also 5-star. So 3 of them, those are all Samsung washing machine, which is the latest technology. All comes 5-star, taking less electricity and water consumption. Beautiful colors, it's all dark silver colors. Hydraulic door, which is comes slowly, it's not comes fast and giving a noise. Looks beautiful. Thank you for watching.